Hey guys, today we are unpacking the Pokemon Sun and Moon booster pack. Oh, these ones are a little bit easier. Okay, so alrighty. So up first at 90 health points we have a Thero. At 70 health points we have a Litten. At 70 health points we have a Yungoos. At 50 health points we have a Surskit. At 60 health points we have a Wingull. At 130 health points we have a Beware. At 120 health points we have a Cloyster. We have an Energy. We have a Trainer Crushing Hammer. At 90 health points we have a Charizard. And then at 90 health points we have a Dragonair. So there you have it guys, the unpacking of the Pokemon Sun and Moon booster pack. Please like, subscribe and comment.